Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick guide, let's learn how to sign up for RedotPay. First, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for RedotPay and tap install. Once installed, open the RedotPay app. Here you will see two main options. If you already have an account, simply tap login and fill up your credentials. But for now, we're trying to create an account, so tap sign up. Here, type in your email address. Tap the checkbox to agree to the terms of service. Once done, tap next. As you can see, a verification code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that. Now create a strong password. Once done, tap sign up. So yes, let's get started with this one. You can also add a PIN code or enable biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID for extra protection. Some features may need identity verification, upload a photo ID and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. You are now signed up and ready to start using RedotPay for transactions. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.